Our grocery orders provide quality food and convenient packaging.
By partnering directly with local farms like this one, we provide families that shop with us nutrient-rich, unprocessed products for about the same price as they'd pay at their local grocer. In Canada, almost all the food available comes from a few major retailers. Those large grocery chains have complex sales structures and several steps in their supply chains, and every one of those steps has increased their prices over the last few years. We remove all those extra steps.
Our products are raised on farms like this.
Raised by farmers that believe in traditional farming and believe that animals live better lives on pasture. By using the combined purchasing power of all the families that eat with us, we're able to get fantastic prices on locally raised products.
Don't get me wrong, we are not the cheapest product on the market, but if you are looking for amazing quality at the best price, here we are.
Your grocery order will come in a convenient package like this. Convenient because buying in bulk while paying weekly lets you enhance your purchasing power without increasing your budget.
When you commit to our farms commit to you.
With a quality guarantee, a 3-year price lock, and by saving countless last-minute trips to the grocery store. Our orders start at around $80 a week. We'll have one of our farm representatives give you a call. Farm representatives are your direct connection to where your food comes from. They've visited our farms and spoken with our farmers. They know what's in season, the best cuts to order, and how to get you the best value. The only way we can add extra value and make sure your package is built correctly is to walk you through the ordering process the first time. Let us help you get more for less, more time in your schedule, and less money spent while eating quality, locally raised products. Click the button below and build your first grocery order today.